Okay, practice 4. Let's go ahead and save this first. I forget to do that, and then let's change that to okay. All right, let's draw our rectangle. So the width is 5 plus the depth is 2, so 7 plus 3 is 10. Tab. I wonder if I ought to do 12, just because last time I had to move it. So let's do 12, tab, and the height is 2 3/8, just round to 3, plus the depth of 2, that's 5, plus 3, that's 8. All right, explode, X for explode, select it. Okay, it's all exploded. Now I can use the offset tool to make the width is 5 1/4, or 5 1/8, 5.125. From the left side to the right. Now we want to make the height, which is 2 3/8, 2.375. And the depth is 1 3/16. I don't know what that is off the top of my head, so I'll just do calculator. 13 divided 16, 0.8125. So I need 1.8125 from the right side to the left, top to down. Okay, there's my views. Now I need to add the details. So 5/8, 0.625 from here up, and from the top of the top front view down, and then do the width of 2 3/8, 2.375, to show this little piece that's coming out this way, and 3/4 of an inch to the top view, 0.75. So from the bottom of the top view up, and then on the side view we need, well, that same thing, should have done that at the same time. Right here in, and I think we're good. So now we can trim. Get rid of that piece. And now let's get rid of that, this here. Got all that. That looks good. Top view, that's a hidden line. But we don't need this one. Oh, we do need that one. We don't need, let's see. I guess that's all. We just need to make that hidden. Let's turn that. I guess we need to cut it out first and then make it hidden. I'll do that in a minute. Let's go ahead and do this side. Those shouldn't be there. That shouldn't be there. And this one shouldn't be there. That looks good. Now let's change it to hidden line. And let's draw this in here. This shouldn't be there. Right there should be gone. Okay, that looks better. All right, that looks like it's good. Now we can do dimensions. So again, for my width, we got 1, 2. So I'm going to do one. Well, it doesn't matter. There's no detail on this side. So you can do the full width here, or I could have done it on the front view, no big deal. And then let's just do maybe this side. And it wouldn't have mattered if I hadn't done this side either. That's okay. And the width, the height is 1, 2, 3. So let's do it on this side for the details. This one here. And then this one down here. That's the detail poking out. And let's do the whole height on this front view. I like to put dimensions on all views so that one of them is not too crowded. And the depth, we need 1, 2. Again, there's no details here, so we'll just make the entire depth here on this top view. And then I'll just go ahead and do this piece right here. And we want fractions, so let's change this to fraction. And it looks like the smallest fraction is a 16th, so we'll leave that the 16th. Set current, and then regen. Oops, let's push escape. Regen, there we go. And I think I want to move this one. Probably right there. It's okay. All right, looks good. Go to the title block. Paper, double click, and I might be able to leave it like this. That looks okay. I don't need to change it to 75% this time. Looks good. And everything's correct. So now I can plot it. Good. Right. Good to go.